Hello everyone. Tonight I'm going to make something easy and fast with two ingredients. A cup of peanut butter and frosting that you can get from any store. All you have to do is put the peanut butter in the bowl, microwave bowl. About a cup. And then you get your frosting. And also put it in the bowl. And before you stir it up or mix it up, you put it in the microwave and just put it in there for about a minute and just watch. Okay, I got it in the bowl, and right now I'm going to be putting it in the microwave and putting it in there for about 30 seconds to a minute, and watch it very carefully. Okay, after you get it out of the microwave, put it in an 8x8 pan. Make sure you got some part paper or some foil, and you go ahead and put it in. That looks good. Make sure you spread it out pretty even all around the pan. This is peanut butter fudge. Just remember that, fudge, good stuff. Keep on spreading it the best you can. And then after you spread it like this, you put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. Okay, after about an hour in the refrigerator, you bring them out, take them out of the pan, cut them in squares, and that's it. Best peanut butter fudge that you can do quick with only two ingredients. Delicious. If you like this recipe, it'll be down in my description. If you want to see more recipes and stuff from me, subscribe below. Until then, see ya.